Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit color noise in Lightroom. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app. And here in Lightroom, it usually opens up in the gallery. We have to select the picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. We tap on it, then it starts to load. And after it is loaded, from the bottom bar, we have to select Detail. We tap on Detail. Here we scroll down and find Color Noise Reduction and the slider under it. If we move it to the right, then the noisiness of the colors is going to decrease. And if we move it to the left, it's going to increase. What this means is that the transition between adjacent colors is going to be smoother when moving it to the right, and going to be a bit more stark if you move it to the left. So, smoother, starker. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.